How to change font size in PDF document with Adobe Acrobat. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show the best way. So let's start with the video, and end of the video, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so just open the PDF in your Adobe Acrobat app, and here we need to go to the all tools, and we need to select this option which is edit PDF. If you don't find here, you can search for view more and scroll. You can see this option maybe in bottom if you don't find here. So I just select the edit PDF option. Now select the element or text, come to the edit, you select the element or text like this, and now from here you can change the size. You have to select this, click on this, so you have to keep click on it. Once you think that once you got your size, then you just keep it like this. Okay, if you want to minimize the size or make the small size, you have to just click on this small a, it will be decrease. So basically this is for increase size and this is for decrease size. Okay, and from here also you can change the font size. Now we have 10, so you can make it like 12 or 14, whatever. Okay, after you done, just come out, and then all text will be, the text size will be increase, okay, or decrease. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.